Ukraine's drone army keeps hammering Russia's supply chain, striking supply trucks delivering supplies up to the front line and defensive position, making each truck taken out to leave less vital deliveries of supplies to the Russian army, making them less effective, which has been noticed since the start of the conflict, with Russia's supply trucks being very vulnerable against Ukraine's drone army. Here it seems the truck was carrying soldiers meant to try and shoot down any incoming drone. But since these are small and fast, the soldiers took the easy way out of jumping off the truck as the drone went in for a strike, taking out more Russian supply trucks, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.